Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Watson Duo Charger designed specifically for the Sony FZ100 battery type. Now, I ordered this through B&H recently because I'm gearing up to do some traveling, and I needed a way to charge two FZ1000 Sony batteries at the same time. Now, I already have a Watson charger, so really all I needed were the $2 plates that you see right here. However, they are on a permanent back order with B&H with no ETA. In other words, my best option was to spend the $69 and unfortunately get another one of these chargers, which is still a great thing to have. I just don't find myself needing more than one of these when I travel because essentially you just buy whatever interchangeable plates you need and then you can charge any battery type that you have to. But for $69, I highly recommend it in general, since I'm already well experienced with it. I'll go ahead and crack this open. You really can't go wrong. B&H was saying to me, they understood my situation and they were saying, why not just order, the single charger types? They're less money and you could take the plates. And in my opinion, it was because if I'm going to have to waste money in general, let me get the whole kit in one shot. And that's exactly what we've got. Now, Watson, of course, is an off-name brand. It's not like I can tell you anything other than that I know it's made in China. It does come with a car charger, which is good for versatility. Wherever you may be going, you're remote, you want to be able to charge, you've got that ability. Here is the actual wall wart for general charging. And then here is the Watson unit itself. Now, what is nice about the Watson is it does have a test button, so it will give you an immediate readout on your batteries. Again, I really only purchased these for the FZ1000 plates, which do literally just pop off. They should just slide off. There you can see it's now off. And these are only $1.99 a piece, but as I mentioned at the top of the video, B&H has no ETA, and I do have an ETA for my flights, so I could not wait for the mystery ETA. There is your plug for power right there, and then we do actually have the input here on the side for, the 12 volt as well as USB output. So you do have the ability to do more than just charge two batteries at the same time, which is nice about the Watson. So between the testing batteries, which does not require power, by the way, it'll use the power of the battery itself. You then have additional input and output, which is a very nice thing to have. And then, of course, your actual input for the wall adapter. The 12 volt is, of course, meant for the travel adapter for the car, so that you're out in the field, boom, you can just plug this into your, good old cigarette lighter, as they once were, and charge that way. So it's a versatile product, and I can tell you right now, when I purchased it years ago so that I could solve the same problem I'm doing now, it was more expensive than $69. I remember it being something like $100 or very close to that, and then all of the plates being somewhere between $2 and $5 a piece, which is why I got excited when I saw the FZ1000 plates were available at $1.99. But again, they really aren't available. So your best bet right now, if you're looking for an additional battery charger beyond the one that comes with your A7 Mark III, A7R Mark III, or A9, is to pick up one of these, especially if, like me, you have a vertical grip and 3 batteries, which is exactly what I have. So there you have it. Again, the Watson dual battery charger. I know that it's, a working, proven product. Just excited that we've got support with the FZ1000 battery type. Just wish I would have been able to buy the plates for a whopping $4 instead of $69 for, again, something I already have. But I thought this was still of use to many of you out there like myself who need this right now and do not have an indefinite amount of time to simply wait for an ETA back order that doesn't even exist yet with B&H, Amazon, or anywhere else. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.